My plan in this month of October is to make over $10,000 from airdrops, and in this video I'm going to show you a list of airdrops I intend to make over $10,000 from in the month of October. So without wasting much time, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Let's get started. So I'm going to talk about different categories of airdrop in this video. We have the Telegram airdrop and the normal testnet airdrop. Now, all of these airdrop I'm going to talk about in this video are totally for free. So let's get started. So the first airdrop on my list is Sonic airdrop. Now, Sonic was previously known as FTM, which is Phantom, for those of you that have been in crypto for quite long. And recently, Phantom decided to rebrand and their new name is going to be Sonic. They are going to have a new token, and according to this tweet, it says, this new week, you start earning points for the $200 million S airdrop with Sonic Arcade. No cost, no bridging, just play. So it is absolutely free. You're not spending a dime for this airdrop. Now, let me show you how to do this airdrop right away. So to get started with this airdrop, first you're going to go to this website, airdrop.soniclab.com. I'm going to leave the link in the description, so make sure to use that to get the right link. And next thing you're going to do is to connect your wallet. I am going to use MetaMask to do this. I'll click on MetaMask and click on next, click on confirm and click on approve. So I'll click on switch network, and right now it is connected. So next I'm going to click on sign. I've signed in. The next thing to do is to click on Sonic Arcade. So once you connect your wallet, you need to get some test token, and then you can start playing any of these games. So now the more time you spend on this game, the more airdrop you're going to get. And also there's another platform you can also use to farm this airdrop, and that's testnet.soniclab.com. I'm also going to leave the link in the description. So you're going to come here, you connect your wallet to your MetaMask or Rabi wallet, anyone you actually have, and then do some swap over here. But I've made a detailed guide video on how to do all of these things. So if you want to watch that video, you can check out the link in the description to watch the video. The second airdrop on my list is NotPixel airdrop. Now, this is the Telegram tapping airdrop, and the only reason why I'm doing it is because Notcoin, I've posted about this guy several times. So that makes me feel like they have a little bit of connection with these guys. And here are the steps on how to start farming this airdrop. So to get started with this airdrop, first thing you're going to do is to click on the link in the description. And next, you're going to click on OK, promising. And click on let's go. And right now, it is actually opened. So all you just have to do is to zoom, and then you paint a particular spot. You can zoom it as much as you want, and then paint it anyhow you want it. And the more you paint, the more points you actually receive from doing all of these things. So you can select the color and then click on paint, and then just keep doing it like that. Now, other things you can do right here is to refer your friend by clicking on this human icon over here, and then you can see your referral link. You can actually copy it and share it with your friends to get started with this airdrop. And finally, you can also click on this star right here and use some of your star. You can actually purchase some star to rank up and all of that. So this is it about the NotPixel airdrop. And the interesting thing is, they say they're going to launch in November of 2024. You need to start farming this right now to get eligible for this airdrop. The third airdrop on my list is Dawn airdrop. Now, this platform actually raised a total of $33 million. You can actually see the last time they posted, they actually raised about $18 million from the last time they posted, led by Dragonfly and other investors like that. Now, to get started with this airdrop, here is what you're going to do. First, you need to search for Dawn Validator Chrome extension. And then if you're using your phone to do this, I will recommend you do it on Kiwi browser. It will allow you to actually install extensions just like I'm doing on my laptop right now. And then click on Add to Chrome, click on Continue to install. And right now it is done. So I'm going to click on Continue. And over here, you're going to put in your email address. And if it's your first time, you need to register. So click on Register. Put in your name, your email address. And next, you're going to put in your password. Put the second password. And next, you're going to type my referral code over here. You can see my referral code, which is showing right here. And then you're going to type this and click on create account. Okay, so account created. So I'll go to my email right now and I'll just click to verify. Okay, so you can see it has been verified. So now I can come back and then log in my account and click on login. And right now it is connected. So next I can click on boosted reward, and I can actually share my link to other persons to sign up. So this is all of the steps on how to get started with this airdrop. So the next airdrop on our list is Moonberg airdrop. Now, these guys have said they are going to launch their token in the Q4 of 2024, and we're actually in the Q4 already. And one interesting thing about this airdrop is they don't have a lot of users, just about 500,000 users. So the airdrop is actually going to be very huge. And here's the step to get started with this airdrop. So first, you're going to click on the link, which I'm going to leave in the description. It's going to bring you over to this place. And there you go. That's all. You are not doing anything again. It automatically gives you points based on your Telegram premium and how long you've been on Telegram. And you're not doing anything again other than clicking on tags. And if there's the recent tags, you can just click on the tags and do it right away. You can see I've completed all of the tags. And finally, you can click on friends to actually invite your friends to come join you, farm the Moonberg airdrop. So this is all of it about the Moonberg airdrop. The next airdrop on our list is Xenea airdrop. Now, to farm this airdrop is actually simple. First, you're going to go to the link, which I'm also going to leave in the description. You're going to click on it to sign up. Continue with the Google. And next, you're going to select your email address. Click on continue. And that's done. So next, you need to install the Xenea wallet. So click on it and then go ahead to install this wallet. Once you're done with it, you can open it. And this is the home page of the app. You're going to click on login this time around. Select Google and you're going to select your email. And right here, you have logged in. You're going to get 1000 gem token instantly. And you can click on claim. So click on great job. And next thing is to complete this mission. By clicking on mission, you click on daily quiz and answer the question correctly. Once you do that, you can also invite more friends and you can also start mining. And these are all of the steps for this airdrop. The next airdrop on my list is Vana airdrop. Now, this platform actually raised about $25 million from investors and their token launch is actually coming very soon. Now, to get started with this airdrop, all you just have to do is to sign up right away. And I'm going to leave a link for you to sign up for this airdrop in the description. Just click on the link and it's going to bring you over to here. So you click on play. And it opens up like this. You can see I have about 51 tokens. All you can do is you can be tapping on this right here to level up and have more tokens. And once you're done with that, you can also click on mine. And then there are some challenges you can do right here that will give you free tokens for doing them. So go ahead and click on them and do each of these tasks to get rewarded for this airdrop. And you can also refer your friend, and that way you also get more points by referring your friends. So this is all of it about the Vana airdrop. The final airdrop on our list is Wallet Connect airdrop. Now, right here, you can see Wallet Connect actually tweeted that the Connect token WCT airdrop is here. And the steps are pretty simple to start up with this airdrop. All you're going to do is to click on the link, accept terms and conditions, and click on register here. So click on connect. And right here, you're going to select MetaMask. And click on next, click on confirm, click on switch. And the deadline for their airdrop is going to be on the 18th of October. So you need to start doing it right now. Now, for the steps on how to position for this airdrop, I've actually done a detailed video on the steps to do this airdrop. And if you want to watch that video, I'm also going to leave the link to that video in the description. Before I continue with this video, if you want to make money from airdrops, then do this airdrop right now. First thing you're going to do is to click the link in the description. Now, the link is going to bring you here and you have to sign up with either Google, Binance, your email, or any other platform you actually want. So once you've signed up, log in your account right away. And once you log in, then click on these 3 dashes right here. Click on LOTS token, scroll down and click on start earning. You can come here and claim these points daily, refer your friends and claim your referral. Scroll down here and do some of these tasks and go to the level 3 and claim all of them. And once you do that, you keep claiming points that will make you eligible for this airdrop. Now let's go back to this video. And guys, these are the airdrops I intend to make over $10,000 in the month of October. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give the like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in my next video.